In this video, you will gonna learn how to generate a link for a video on Google Drive. So let's start the video. First, you have to open up Google Drive and then head over to the video you wanna generate the link for. For my case, it's the second video from the top, testimony 2. So I just wanna generate its link. I will just tap on the three dots on the right side of the video. As you can see, these three dots, I will just tap on them, and here you can see a bunch of options here. So there's a simple option like copy link. If you want to create a link for yourself that you want to open later on, so you can just click on copy link and you can save the link. But if you wanna share the video to someone else and you just wanna create a link for someone else to open your video, then you have to click on the first option, that is share. Just tap on share, and here as you can see, it is asking us to add people or group. You can either add the email of the person you want to share the video to, or you can just click on these three dots on the top right corner of the screen, click on and click on manage access. And as you can see on the bottom, it is general access, anyone with the link. Make sure it's anyone with the link, and on the top right corner of the screen you can see this icon. Click on this and the link will be copied to the clipboard. Now you can paste the link and you can send it on WhatsApp and anything. I will just show you the link. As you can see, the link has been generated. So thanks for watching the video. Leave a like and comment and also subscribe to the channel.